Welcome to Kitchen and Greens. Meron tayong unboxing na gagawin. Sandali ha. Diyan lang kayo. Ito yun. Magpalaki ng muscles to eh. Anong laman? Wala na. Ito oh. Ano to? Strawberry. Bukas. Yan. Ito pa, kinuha ko na kanina. Strawberry din. Yan. Ano ba? Ito yung nagpapabigat. Melon. Melong mabango. Ay, nandito na naman si ano. Dito na naman yung aming panggulo. Nandali lang. Sige. Dito si Apo. Dali lang. Balik tayo. Yan. This is what I do at home. Continue. This is what I do at home. Strawberry. I'm taking all of this, crown, because if I don't get this, it's gonna be a starting point for my strawberry to get spoiled. Inside the ref, it stays for like a week. It's not gonna last long with this because this one has dirts. Okay. Pero aron kita kay we are far from the reality. This is what I do here at home. Yeah, ayan. Strawberry. Kain tayo. Bye-bye muna. See you again. Bye-bye.